Hello friends, is your car cranking but not starting or running rough? If your scanner is showing P0385, then this could be a serious issue with the Crankshaft Position Sensor Circuit B. Without a properly functioning crankshaft sensor, your engine might misfire, stall, or even fail to start. But don't worry. In this video, we'll break down what P0385 means, its symptoms, sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0385 stands for Crankshaft Position Sensor B Circuit Malfunction. The Crankshaft Position Sensor, CKP, plays a crucial role in determining the engine's RPM and crankshaft position. It sends signals to the ECU, Engine Control Unit, which adjusts fuel injection and ignition timing. When the ECU detects a fault in the B circuit of the crankshaft position sensor, it triggers the P0385 Trouble Code. Common symptoms of P0385: engine cranks but won't start, check engine light, CEL, is on, engine misfires or runs rough, stalling while driving, poor fuel economy, loss of power or hesitation during acceleration. If you're facing these symptoms, let's find out where the crankshaft sensor is located. The Crankshaft Position Sensor, CKP, is usually located near the crankshaft pulley or flywheel. Here are the common locations. Main locations to inspect: front of the engine, near the crankshaft pulley, harmonic balancer in most vehicles. Transmission bell housing. Some vehicles place it near the flywheel or flex plate. Side of the engine block. In certain cars, the sensor is installed on the engine block near the oil pan. Behind the timing cover. Some manufacturers hide it inside the timing cover for protection. Tip: the exact location depends on your vehicle make and model, so always check your service manual. Alright, let's dive into the common causes of the P0385 code. First up, we have a faulty crankshaft position sensor. The sensor itself might just be worn out or damaged. Then there's damaged wiring or connectors. Corrosion, loose wires, or broken connectors can really mess with the signal. Next, a failed reluctor ring, also known as the tone wheel, can cause issues. If this wheel is damaged, the sensor won't read correctly. In rare cases, a bad ECU or engine control unit can trigger this code. And finally, oil or debris on the sensor can cause incorrect readings. It's amazing how dirt buildup can affect things. Now let's walk through the steps to fix the P0385 code. Step 1. Grab an OBD-II scanner and check for any additional codes related to the crankshaft sensor. For step 2, locate and inspect the crankshaft position sensor. Look for any signs of damage or oil buildup. Moving on to step 3, check the wiring and connectors for corrosion or broken pins and repair them if necessary. Step 4 involves testing the sensor's resistance using a multimeter. If it's out of spec, you'll need to replace it. Step 5, inspect the reluctor ring inside the timing cover or near the flywheel. If everything checks out, step 6 is to check the ECU for any issues. Finally, step 7, clear the code with your OBD-II scanner and take the car for a test drive to see if the problem is resolved. The P0385 code is a serious issue that can leave you stranded if not fixed. A faulty crankshaft sensor can cause your engine to shut off unexpectedly. So, if you're experiencing stalling, misfires, or a no-start condition, check the crankshaft sensor circuit immediately. And hey, if you want to learn more about related issues, check out these next videos: P0067, Air-Assisted Injector Control Circuit High, and P0068, Throttle Body Airflow Performance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips. Keep those engines running smoothly.